Early morning delivery. Oh, let us check. Who is this for? Delivery from Mark and Spencer. I've got a box. I've got a box delivered early morning from Mark and Spencer. I'm not so sure from whom, but it's for me, guys. It's for me. So let's do unboxing in a minute. I received this package this morning. So the delivery came around 6:30 in the morning. It came from anonymous, so I'm not so sure. I have to open it to see who sent this package to me. But whoever it is, I'm grateful and we will find out, okay? This box says fragile. Yes, fragile. So that means that there is a breakable item inside this box. But I'm very excited to see and to know who is this anonymous person. Maybe I just have to check if there's a card inside. Whoever sent this box, because you see, I'm not really expecting anything. And I'm just checking. It's definitely for me. So it's so nice to receive some gifts or to receive a package. But we have to find out first kung kanino galing ito. So, let us see. And again, they ordered this from Mark and Spencer. Ooh, nice. Ang ganda. Look, guys. See? So let's have a look. Wow. The packaging is very good. Oops. Ang ganda ng packaging, oh. Look. Nice. Oh, there is no card. So I don't know. How are we going to know kung kanino ito galing? Right. Ang ganda ng box. It's so beautiful. Box pa lang. Why is it that there's no card? I cannot understand. Let's check again. Card under label. Oh. Do we need to remove this card? Ah. Yeah, so it says here, bill for gift message. So let's have a look. Can we leave that for last? Para surprise. We'll check this one first, okay? Leave that one. I'm so excited to know. But I want to see this first. We will just wait for that, okay? But this one is so good. So, there is a... What is this? Oops. Is a fruit cake. Look, guys, a fruit cake. Oops. It has a plastic, so I cannot sniff it. But anyway, looks very nice. Nice fruit cake. Let's return that one there. And, oh God, ano ba to? Another box here is a Christmas pudding. Let's leave it closed first. We'll wait for Mr. Mags. I'm sure Mr. Mags will eat this one. So it's a Christmas pudding. And this one is truffles, champagne truffles. Shall we try it? out. That one there. Ang gaganda ng mga packaging nila. You see, I'm sure they paid. Whoever sent this to me paid a lot of money for the packaging. It's really like that. I'm interested on the content of the box instead of whoever sent this package for me. But no, I'm really excited, but I just want to concentrate on this one first. I want that to be surprise. Ooh, let's try this. Champagne truffle. Let's see. That. Ay! No. Sorry. Okay, let's try again. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. My little summer like this. Nahulog tuloy. I dropped one. I can really taste the champagne. Yummy talaga. I don't normally like truffles, but this one, it's really good. Dark milk chocolate. That's for Mr. Mags. Nako. It's so thin. There's nothing in there. And wow, another bottle of Prosecco. See? It's drinking time. I'm going to have this on Christmas Day. So, I'm not really fond of drinking alcohol. But if there's an occasion, obviously, I drink with my friends. But yeah, we'll try this on Christmas Day. We'll see. So, that's all is the content of this box. Not a lot, but whoever sent this to me, the thought is much more important. So, tingnan natin. Let's go now to the card. This is really good. Okay. Let's go back to the box and try to check where this, goodness me, I cannot even take out the plastic or the sellotape. Let's use, goodness, you really give me a hard time, whoever sent this package. Diba? I don't know how to do it. There you are. Oh, to Carmela. Have a wonderful Christmas and festive season. With love from my big bosses. Thank you so much, big bosses. I will not mention your name, but you know who you are. Yeah, it's from my big bosses from work. So, Thank you so much. It's nice that you remember me for during Christmas time. So I'll take this and I'll put this back onto this box here. It's very nice. You see, that's one thing that, you know, most employees do like to work with the employer that they have. I can only speak for myself. Appreciation and remembering us or me on special days is a big thing for me. Just to say thank you and to wish me a Merry Christmas with this box. This is a very special box. There's nothing much in here, if you can see, but again, it's not about the amount or the number of things that they gave you, but actually the thought of remembering you on special day is much more important for me. So my big bosses, thank you so much. Hang on, where's the bottle? That one. Thank you so much for this gift. I opened it already, advanced Christmas gift, and I hope you will not get tired of sending gifts to me. So guys, thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed unboxing this gift from Anonymous, but now I know where this gift come from. So thank you for joining me. Bye!